Scott with Sean's Photography, and today I'm going to talk about the brand new CheetahStand MAX20. This here is the MAX20 right here on my left hand side. It has a pebble interior, which is about 1/4 to 1/3 stop more output than the polished silver. Here we have the dim sum dish already installed. You have the option of being able to push it all the way back or bringing it out, depending on how you want to set that up. Again, it's just to kill the hot spot and helps also fill the modifier with more light. If you're going to run the outer diffuser, you can run this as your inner diffuser and this is as your outer diffuser. If you're working in windy conditions, you want this outer diffuser because this keeps this from being an umbrella and causing wind to get inside there and causing your stand to blow over. So this also helps in diffusing the light and making a nice softer light. And this comes with the MAX20. And right now I think Edward is running a special that you get this dim sum dish for free. Normally it costs extra, but I think Edward's running an offer right now that you can get this free with this MAX20. It also comes with a 2x2 grid, and this is the best grid out on the market. It's very light, but it's very durable. That's the reason why I'm saying it's the best, because it actually works really well. I'm not a grid user, but if I was a grid user, this is one of the best grids out there. What's also nice, it comes with this black case. Of course, Edward's modifiers all come with a black and white case, but they're clearly marked on the outside, so you do not make a mistake by grabbing the wrong modifier when you need the one you're looking for. And make sure you put your modifiers back in the original cases so you don't grab the wrong one. So let's take this off the Pro S stand here, Pro S bracket. Let's just close it. You can see it was simple to close. Let's pop it open. I'm going to push it into my hand, and voila. Again, you can see it's a cage system, and it's got the center shaft rod. But again, this is nice, compact, portable. It's good for location work or in studio. The closer you get it, the softer the light. Of course, everyone should know that by now. But this is like the replacement of the 18-inch 2-in-1 modifier, because this here does everything that does, but just this is a lot bigger and this is more versatile. The reason why I'm calling it more versatile is because I can mount a 600 on here, I can mount a 360 on here, I can mount a 200, and I can mount a speed light onto this using the Pro S bracket or using the original Bowen mounts. With the old 2-in-1, you are only limited to doing the 200 or the 360. Yes, this is a little bit bigger, a little heavier, a little bulkier, but it produces a lot more softer light and it produces a better output. Again, this is the CheetahStand MAX20. My name is Scott with Sean's Photography, and thank you for watching.